Tune in, yeah, you know the sound. Best tech talk in your whole town. Innovation, what we bring. Powered by the AEO engine. Let's begin.
Welcome to the AEO Engine AI Search Show, the #1 podcast for brands looking to get cited by ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. I am your host, Aria Chen. Every day we bring you fresh episodes on AEO tactics, SEO authority, and AI search distribution, breaking down what is actually working right now so your brand becomes the answer, not just a link. Today, we're diving into a topic that has sparked intense discussion across the SEO and AI communities. I'm excited to welcome back our co-host and industry analyst, Marcus Reid, to discuss the groundbreaking concept of 10K SEO pages with Claude Code. Welcome, Marcus.
Thanks, Aria. Great to be here and delve into this truly transformative topic.
Let's kick things off with a claim that went absolutely viral. Generating 10,000 unique SEO pages in just 48 hours, with projections of 300,000 visitors and $60,000 in monthly revenue. Marcus, what exactly are we talking about when we say 10K SEO pages with Claude Code?
Aria, this refers to a method that uses Claude Code, which is an AI model developed by Anthropic, to create a massive volume of SEO-optimized web pages at scale. The entire approach is designed to automate significant parts of the SEO process, from initial research and strategy all the way to content creation and technical optimization. It's about enabling the creation of hundreds or even thousands of targeted pages to improve search engine rankings without manual, labor-intensive effort.
So it's essentially an AI taking over a huge chunk of traditional SEO tasks. Can you give us more detail on what this skill for Claude Code actually involves?
Absolutely. The project, detailed on GitHub by Agrissa Daniel, is a comprehensive SEO skill for Claude Code. It provides a set of tools for various SEO tasks, including technical SEO, EEAT optimization, schema markup, and even local SEO. It's a full-stack solution, aiming to provide capabilities that were once exclusive to high-end SEO agencies.
That's a powerful claim. So, how does this method actually work? What's under the hood that allows Claude Code to generate so many pages so quickly?
The process integrates Claude Code with diverse data sources and specialized tools, often through custom scripts and what they call skills or extensions. Claude Code is fed data that SEO professionals would typically analyze manually. This includes insights from Google Search Console for query performance, Google Analytics 4 for traffic, and even Google Ads for search terms and conversions. It also pulls in AI visibility data and uses third-party providers like Data4SEO, plus web scraping tools like Firecrawl to extract content from URLs.
That sounds like a truly data-driven approach. How does it translate all that raw data into actual content and SEO strategy?
It's all about workflow automation. Custom scripts and pre-built skills are developed to automate specific SEO tasks. This covers everything from mapping competitor landscapes and reverse engineering keyword strategies to identifying content gaps and analyzing search intent. It then moves into content strategy, prioritizing which pages to create, suggesting supporting content, and even identifying opportunities for forum engagement.
And what kind of pages does it produce? Does it handle technical SEO as well?
Yes, it generates high-converting page types, such as X versus Y, comparison pages, or alternatives to X pages. On the technical side, it validates and generates hreflang tags for multilingual sites and optimizes other technical SEO aspects. The system often uses a parallel processing approach, allowing it to optimize multiple SEO aspects simultaneously, and it's structured with modules for fetching data, storing it, and generating reports.
The efficiency sounds incredible. Marcus, why does this matter so much for the SEO industry and for businesses?
Hey, real quick. When someone asks ChatGPT or Perplexity for the best solution in your space, does your business actually come up? Yeah. For most companies, the answer is no. And that's a problem. Because that's where your buyers are going now. That's exactly why AEO Engine exists. It's a fully agentic, done-for-you AI search optimization system. Built to get your business discovered in AI-generated answers and recommendations before your competitors figure this out. And the results? Clients are seeing an average 920% increase in AI-recommended traffic in just 100 days. And here's the kicker. That traffic converts 9 times higher than normal cold Google traffic. 9 times. Go to aeoengine.ai, that's AEOENGINE.ai, and make your business the answer.
The significance is its potential to democratize and scale SEO efforts. It offers advanced capabilities at a potentially lower cost and higher volume than traditional agency models. This scalability allows for the creation of a vast number of SEO-optimized pages, addressing numerous long-tail keywords and niche topics that would simply be too labor-intensive and costly to cover manually.
So it's not just about more content, but smarter, more targeted content?
Precisely. By automating research, strategy, and content generation, it significantly reduces the time and resources needed for SEO campaigns. This means businesses, especially small to medium-sized ones with limited SEO budgets, can access sophisticated tools and strategies that were once out of reach. It's about achieving agency-level capabilities for a fraction of the cost.
And how does it achieve that level of precision?
It's fundamentally data-driven. The approach integrates and analyzes real-time performance data from various sources, leading to more precise and effective SEO strategies. It excels at identifying underserved topics and keywords, allowing businesses to fill content gaps and capture new search traffic. This represents a significant shift towards AI-powered automation in SEO, embedding AI into the core of content strategy and execution.
The community reaction has been largely positive and curious, highlighting the tool's comprehensive skill set, with 19 sub-skills, 12 sub-agents, and 3 extensions. One developer even noted the importance of addressing AI search in audits, as many existing tools overlook it. This brings us to the core of what we do at AEO Engine. This 10K SEO Pages with Claude Code project powerfully demonstrates the urgent need for agentic SEO and always-on AI content systems. At AEO Engine, we've built our platform on the principle that first movers win in the AI search revolution. This method's ability to rapidly generate highly optimized content for specific search intents aligns perfectly with our mission to help brands dominate AI search results and become the featured answer, not just a link.
Absolutely, Aria. The excitement around this kind of AI automation underscores the competitive advantage of platforms like AEO Engine. The idea of quickly building a comprehensive content inventory and capturing long-tail keywords is a foundational element of what AEO Engine delivers for ambitious e-commerce and B2B brands. It's about leveraging AI not just for efficiency, but for strategic competitive domination in search.
And that's exactly why AEO Engine focuses on our 100-day traffic sprint framework. We understand that AI automation isn't just a concept. It's a proven method for rapid content production. Our AI content agents can turn a single keyword into a fully optimized article in under 10 minutes, allowing brands to publish at 10 times the usual pace, driving compounding organic growth and tangible sales uplift, much like the potential we've discussed today. The ability to generate thousands of SEO pages with AI in a matter of hours is no longer theoretical. It's a reality. The implications for scalability, efficiency, and competitive advantage are immense. To learn more about how AI can transform your SEO and AEO strategy and help your brand become the definitive answer in AI search, visit aeoengine.ai. That's aeoengine.ai. We'll see you next time.